All right, guys. So you're welcome to my YouTube channel at Signal Lord Gabriel Orator, and I would quickly want to share some future with us, just like I promised about my video on candlestick, which is Hammer, and we'll quickly be looking at how Hammer candlestick works in trading. Okay, but before I do that, I will just quickly want to share with us my slide. Then let's quickly dive into what AMA is all about. What's AMA, typically speaking? AMA basically is just a candlestick pattern that has the shape of an hammer. Now, if you are talking about an hammer, everybody knows what an hammer looks like. Hammer is used for a carpenter used hammer to nail, and you have all these mason that use hammer to work. Even bricklayers they used hammer. All right. So to tell you, there are different form of hammer. There are different kind of hammer. So there's what is called Monday hammer. Monday hammer is used by all these construction workers. Okay, but any shape you want to look out for on your chart should look like an hammer. And please, it is not all hammer you are expected to use to trade. I'll need to explain that. See, this is not a secret. Okay, when you see an hammer, you should be able to recognize an hammer. Okay, it should be very easy for you to recognize, most especially when you are dealing with trading. All right. So now talking about the hammer I have here on my screen. Can you see this example? I said the pattern has a shape that looks like an hammer in which the lower shadow. Talking about the lower shadow, I believe some of us have missed. We have missed out in the normal formation of the candle. So please check my other video, which is the previous video I did, so that you can know about the formation of the candle. All right, so now the lower shadow is at least twice the size of the real body. This is the real body, and this is the shadow. Can you see? Which means that I should be able to capture at least twice the head of the hammer on the shadow. All right, so that's what it represents. So now, what are the rules guiding hammer? Now, based on experience and based on how far I've been able to use candlestick pattern to trade, these are the rules guiding the hammer, and I will just quickly share this with you. So if you were not able to go through each of them, you can pause the video, just walk through each of the rules, and it's easier for you to make use of hammer to trade. But please understand this: hammer is a signal, not just your confirmation. Hammer is just a trading signal telling you that there is going to be a potential upside movement after price has fallen. All right. So anytime price falls and you see the shape of an hammer at the support, basically what it means is that there is going to be a potential reversal to the upside. So when you see hammer at the support, that's what even gives it the name, because you can see different shapes, you can see different sizes, but what gives hammer the name hammer is the location of the candle. So there are two things that are critically important before you use candlestick to trade. Number one is the shape. What is the shape of the candlestick? How does it look like? Okay, you want to get the shape and the size. Then number two is location. So talking about location, we are talking about support, and also we are talking about resistance. So if you don't know how to identify support and resistance, please look out for one of my videos. I will also add the link to this video. All right. So these are the things you are looking out for when it comes to hammer. All right. Be guided, be disciplined, and trade carefully. So let's look at the chart. Let's see. Is there anywhere on the chart where we have something looking like hammer? Um, let's see. Okay, just okay. This is a typical example of hammer. All right, a typical example of hammer. So Euro USD. That's right, this USD JPY. All right. So please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video with any trader you have around you. All right. Thank you. Watch out for my next video on candlestick formation. All right. Have a nice trading day. NFP is this Friday. I'm trading it live. Thank you.